This is Jake Barker with Golden Fox Farms doing our equipment videos today, our equipment assembly videos. I'm going to show you the modern way to put together a frame using staples and a plastic foundation. This frame style is called a groove top bar. It's a top bar that just has a groove in it, nothing else going on with it. And this foundation will actually snap into these materials. Now I can tell you I actually have a problem already because this groove top has that little splinter in the way. And that'll fight us tooth and nail if we're unlucky. So I'll get that out of there right now. There we go. Now when I do these frames, I'll stage like 100 on this table so I can just go through them all in one go. I use a pneumatic stapler to put these frames together. I don't use glue with these. Other people might use glue. That's fine. That doesn't hurt anything. And the staples I'm shooting are 1/4 inch long by 1/4 inch, 1 1/4 long by 1/4 wide galvanized staples. What I'll do is I'll take my speed square, park it in the corner there. I will pull the frame square. And I know if I'm square at the bottom because these ends are the same length, I'm pretty square up here at the top. And then I'll take 2 staples in to lock that in place. So that's the one joint done. These staples have a lot more hold than nails do. The staples tend to twist when you put them in there, so they just really have a great amount of fast holding power. Same trick, I'm going to keep that joint square. I'm going to push these materials together. I'm going to double tap it. With luck, I hit wood both times. Yes, I did. And now we'll flip it over. Same process. You can see the splinter I cut just fell out. And because I have 3 square corners, I know I have a 4th square corner. Now we install our foundation. This is Acorn triple. It's got a lot of wax on it. It doesn't have a up or down orientation necessarily. It does have these little snap-off tabs for communication galleys. Those usually are put at the bottom of a frame. When I install the plastic foundation, I usually install towards the bottom bar first because it's narrower and I can see easier what's going on, and then you snap it in. When it snaps in, it'll freely move up and down. And that's a completed a completed plastic foundation frame. Now some people would be concerned at the strength of these joints, but I can assure you that the wood will fail around the joint before the staples fail. So they're plenty strong without glue. Thank you for joining us.